This is a brand new 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include adjustable driver pedals, dual power seats, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a premium audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a locking rear differential, fog lamps, a low tire pressure indicator, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and an anti-theft protection system. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.